So welcome back. So as promised, in this video we are going to discuss very important part of search campaigns, that is ad extensions. So in this video I will discuss what are ad extensions, what are various types of ad extension, why a business should use the ad extensions in the ads, and lastly how to add these ad extensions in the advertisements. So let us start with. Here you can see we have the option to add ad extension to the ads. Google claims that you may get 15% higher click-through rate by showing additional information on your ads. So what are ad extensions? Extensions expand your ad with additional information. Give people more reason to choose your business. And there is no additional cost to add extension to the ads. Let us see what type of extensions we can add to the ads. First, we have the site link extension. As the name suggests, this type of extension is used to add additional links to your ads other than the main link of your ad. Just look at this ad. You can clearly see we have multiple additional links here in addition to the main link. If you click on these links, they may take you to the different landing pages. These types of extensions are very useful when you have multiple products under one category. You can use these extensions to give the link of various products under one category. Let me show you how to add the site link extensions. Click on New Site Link. You have to add at least 2 link extensions. Give the site link text. It will be visible in the ad. Say, download brochure. Then give the final URL where you want to send the prospect. Similarly, give the second site link and the final URL. Leave all other fields blank. I will explain them at the time of ad designing. Save it. Our 2 sites links are added. Now let us have a preview of them. This is how your site links will appear in mobile phone. And this is how they will look in desktop. You can on or off the highlight site links. Close the preview. Next we have callout extensions. What is callout extension? Here you can see few additional features of the product. Let us see how to add them. Click New Callout extension. Add callout text here up to 4 in numbers and preview it. This is how this extension will look in mobile phone and desktop. Leave the advanced option as default and save. Our callout extensions are added. Call extension is automatically added as we have selected phone call in the beginning of the campaign. Just have a preview. This is how it will look in mobile phone and desktop. If you want, you may add few more extensions. I will talk about these extensions in the due course. Save and continue. So finally, we have completed the first phase of our search campaign. Remember, all the settings that we made during this phase are applicable at the campaign level. In simple words, campaign level is the second layer after the Google accounts. I have intentionally left few settings as default, and I will explain those settings at an appropriate time. So now let us move to the next phase of our search campaign. Just join me in the next video.